Hoi. Hey korallen. Niks aan de hand. It's not for you. You don't have worms. Zo. Oh, lekker. Weer. Vind je het lekker? Helemaal gewoon. Next. Hey, bakje.
Hoe is het dan net te vangen?
Nee. Dat heb ik wel eens. Dat is een vangen met haar.
Ja.
Nee, Rijn zit ook een stuk net. Dat is niet helemaal.
Deze vindt al je reuze gezellig.
Ja. Wat is dit? Hoe is dat? Hij is echt aan het wermen. Ik heb van alle jaar wermonderzoek gedaan. Hey, Blomke. Ja. Ken ik dat eens? Oh, finished.
Clear.
Boukje en Rijntje. En Blomke. Hey. Saly is outside. Yes. This is her old coat and it has to come out. So I thought maybe this helps. Goed zo. Renske en Saly. Maar ze is wel super relaxed. Ja. Goed zo, Saly. Korallen en bellen. Hey, Blomke. Saly. Yveske. Rijntje. Rijsie. Boukje. Ja. Stel dat het molken is. Boukje is altijd de laatste. Wat is dat? Renske was here. She's now home again to clean the stalls and to help me and train Saly. And here I'm preparing a stall for Belle and Blomke. They are now old enough so we can wean them. They are more than 6 months old, so it is time, especially for Saly, because Saly is in foal again, and Saly gets a bit skinny again over the back, and that's because she's a very, very, very good mom. She gives a lot of milk, and now she has to live without Blomke. But I hope in a couple of months they can go together again. But not yet, because when Blomke is going to nurse again, Saly gives milk again. In that stall we have Belle and Coralle. And Coralle has to go home again someday. But I'm not sure yet when. So we shall see. Okay, there's the straw, and I want to clean this, and I'm going to clean this one, and I throw here some hay, is that over there, and I think when they come inside again I separate them, but I'm not for sure yet. ready, but I'm not sure yet if it's gonna be today. I'm hesitating.
Hop, 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 hop.
Boukje, Blomke, Yveske, Rijntje en Saly. Korallen, Belle en Rijsie. Belle, Yveske, Rijsie, Blomke, Rijntje, Boukje en Saly. Blomke. Doe maar, Blomke. Doe maar. Rijsie. Doe maar. Kom op. Yveske. Oké. Kom op. Belle. Korallen. Nee. Doe maar. Where are the others? Rijsie. Nou. Rijntje. Doe maar. Goed zo. Boukje. Oh, braaf. Hey, hallo. Oh, hallo. Hey. Oh, Belle en korallen. Oh. I never saw this before. Oh, I let them sleep. Reintje en Boukje. Saly and Blomke. And there's Yvke. And Reisi. And now I'm glad I didn't wean them today. Bye.